Happy weekend. Ah, I'm gonna meet my friend. She gonna give something to our other friend. She asked me to get it and give it to our other friend. Anyway, they live near here. I wake up early today because I have so many things in my mind today. That's why I need to. Oh no, I don't have Karatic station. Is yung Kalipa Street. Still early, 6 o'clock. I wasn't able to go walking because it's already, what do you call that? Very hot na. It's already 7 o'clock. The shop still closed. I want to buy low. Here, this is Kalipa Street. I need to buy something there. I don't have data Nasaan na house? Anyway, video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, suggestion, and of course, don't forget to share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. Happy